guys, it's Kim and I am here for a diaper bag video. I wanted to show you guys what I'm using currently and what I'm packing inside. So I got this Lily Jade Madeline. This is the 1.0 version. So let me show you guys the outside of the bag. There's a zipper pocket here on a flap, and look at that beautiful red lining. I don't have anything in here, but I will throw in like my YMCA card, or if we're going to the zoo or something, the membership that we're using, I'll throw that in there so I can have quick, easy access to it. On the back, I keep the backpack straps attached. I don't feel them getting in the way at all, which I was worried about, because it really is crucial to have them tethered if you're going to use this as a backpack. I tried doing it where it was just looped through, and it was very difficult to get the backpack on and off. But when I'm using it with the tote straps, I don't feel these in the way at all, which is huge. There's this nice long zipper pocket on the back that does kind of get in the way of the pocket, but I just have coupons and things in here. If we go to the doctor or something, I'll put in like the immunization records or whatever paperwork we get from there. But this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom, and there's this whole panel here. So it's a very generously sized pocket. If you wanted to keep your wallet back there, it would easily fit. So let's open it up. There is that flap. I'm still getting used to it. You have to have the tote straps open, one on each side, in order to get to it. If you have the straps together, then the flap gets in the way. In the front here, I don't have anything in these side pockets. I will keep my sunglasses in one and my cell phone in the other. I'm using my phone right now to record. In the middle pocket here, I just keep my wallet. The flap kind of keeps it secure so I don't worry about it falling out. So inside there, I just have a Be Charged with my car key and my house key. And then we'll open it up. It's zippered, super smooth. I haven't had any issues with it sticking. And the bag opens up so wide, which is a huge plus for me. So you can see I still have plenty of room, and this is all I really ever take. This is the bag I take daily, just going on any errands or going to activities with the kids. So on this side, I have a 17-ounce water bottle, and it fits in there perfectly in the corner. Still have like another inch above it, so if you had an even taller water bottle, I'm sure it would fit. And then on this side, I have my girls' water bottle. It's just the Thermos Funtainer. And then I'll take out the biggest one here first in the center. This is the Logan and Lenora diaper clutch. In the front pocket, I have just a light change pad from Jujubee. And then in the main pocket, I have one cloth diaper, a wet bag, and a Huggies wipe clutch, or clutch and clean. I could also fit another cloth diaper in here easily, and diaper cream in the front. This is a really great size clutch here for cloth diapering. I did a video reviewing the whole thing, so I'll link that below if you're interested. Okay, so I also have a medium set piece here by Jujubee, and this is just where we keep snacks. I have 2 bars and a food pouch. I have a large set piece that has a change of clothes for my 3.5-year-old and my 1-year-old. And then I have the small piece from the 12 Little Trio clutch, and it's a mess in here, but I just have hand sanitizers, tissues, and a travel sunscreen. That is what the whole thing looks like. I don't use the insert that comes with it. The 1.0 insert is too floppy, and the way I pack doesn't work for me. So that's what these little magnetic clips are here for. The insert for the 1.0 will snap into it. Then on the inside, there's this nice leather trimmed zipper pocket. I just have a pen in there, and there's also 2 small slip pockets. I'll sometimes slip like hand sanitizer and tissues in here instead of using that separate pouch, but sometimes I worry about them spilling, so I'd rather just keep them in the plastic little pouch. There is a key leash right here. I have tried a couple other Lily Jade bags. I tried the Rosie as well as the Caroline. Well, I liked both of them a lot. I just didn't love it, and I'm absolutely loving this bag. I carry it every day. It's holding up very well, and I'm not getting sick of it. I'm usually one to rotate my bags out frequently, and I haven't changed this out in a couple of months, which is huge for me. So I will show you guys what this looks like on me. I'll pack it back up with all this stuff so that you can see what it actually looks like. on me as if I were wearing it day to day.